Hey, this is just a quick walkthrough of what is in my Enchanted Forest freebie. There is a full set that has even more stuff in it. But I'm going to show you what is in the free download. So you get 6 base pages. I love these so much, and I'll show you what I like to do when I print mine too. I like to print mine front and back. Love this one so much. It's on mushies. So that when I put them in my journals, I have something that looks like this, because then you can gesso on them, you can write on them, you can leave them just as a rest page, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with them. So that's how I like to do mine. So in the full set, there's 12 base pages. This one comes with 6. And it comes with 12, or I'm sorry, the full set comes with 12 scrapbook papers. 4 are in the free set. I just love these little mushrooms so much. I really love this one too, with these watercolor trees. And we've got Green Man and some fairies. That is really tiny print, but it looks really fun up close. And let's see, we've got 4 cards, one of which I have put in this pocket folder. It's a little tag folder. So it comes with just lots of little fun cards, just neat little nifty things. And I sized this one up. So I wanted it a little bit bigger, so it's not quite that big in what you get, but you can size it up. And this other little tag pocket, I love this one so much. It's just got a couple of little pockets in there. Comes with a mini envelope, which you may or may not be able to see, but there's some mushrooms on it. It's super cute. And several page tabs, little mushrooms, little fairies, the Green Man again. And it comes with gosh, I don't know how many stamps, 12 maybe, that you can be used as stamps or as page tabs. I use them as page tabs, but you could totally cut these apart and use them as tags too, or sorry, tickets as well. But yeah, super duper cute. Love it so much. This is definitely one of my favorite ones I've made in a while. And then there are 4 hidden paperclip covers. Really adorable. And it comes with 8 tags. There's 16 in the full set. I just love all of these images so much. They make me want to go to this creepy enchanted forest. It's little frames so you can cut out. And it's a couple of round images. And so you see it's a pretty big set, and this is only like half of what the full set contains. But this is what you get with the freebie. Download it. I hope you love it. I would love to see what you make with it. And happy crafting.